Okay, let's see what we have here. Take a look at the announcements. Alright, yeah, we have that. Oh, wait, what? Battle of the Bands? Oh, wait, there's no time. How are we going to prepare for the... What the?
But science!
Today's experiment involves making a craft stick kazoo. The materials that you'll need are craft sticks, rubber bands, construction paper, scissors, and clear tape. The first step is to cut the paper. Cut 2 strips of paper just long enough to wrap around both of the craft sticks. We've provided the paper, but you may need to adjust the length as needed. Now you'll need to attach the paper. Wrap the strips around the craft sticks on either end and secure it with a piece of tape. Now it's time for the rubber band. Stretch a rubber band lengthwise around the stick that has the tape on it. Once this step is done, you'll want to take the other stick, put it on top of the other stick, and then use the remaining rubber bands to hold them together.
Sound is a type of energy made by vibrations. When an object vibrates, it can cause movement in the particles of a medium, such as air and wood. This movement is referred to as sound waves. If your ear is within range of these vibrations, you will hear the sound.
That's all fascinating, Science Man Chan, but how are we gonna win with just one kazoo?
Only one, huh? And a 1, and a 2, and a...
Oh, my ears.